In this video, you're gonna learn the top paid traffic sources for affiliate marketing. Not only that, you're gonna learn the best paid traffic for affiliate marketing. I will also show you the least costly sources for ClickBank ads and the most profitable at the same time. While other ClickBank marketers struggling to make money on ClickBank, we are consistently making money from targeted ClickBank ads. And I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about. I'm going to show you on the screen live. Now, it is not your fault. I know that a lot of people think, well, I'm not getting it. It's not that. It's YouTube videos. They provide a lot of misinformation that would really confuse you. Now, I'm going to debunk it live. I want to go ahead and tell you what they are saying. I will also reveal tips and tricks we use to advertise any ClickBank product. Even if you don't have a website or a landing page for ClickBank. Now, you're probably surprised about that. Yes, you can do it even if you don't have any website or landing page at all. This training is totally free. There is no plug in this video, just like maybe many other videos that you have seen that they try to sell you a course. All I like you to do is subscribe, drop a like. Now, like is very much like a vote. That means you're telling me you want more of these videos so I can produce more of these videos. The only reason I am revealing all these secrets is simply because when I first got started, there were nobody out there on YouTube or anywhere else trying to show me exactly how to do anything. They were only interested in selling me a course. I'm going to show you some stuff you probably didn't know it exists. As you know me by now, the way I like to do things is to make it very simple and do it like a blueprint so you'll understand it very well. We are talking about top paid traffic sources for ClickBank, paid traffic for affiliate marketing. We're going to talk about 4 important things, and it's very important to understand these because you're going to listen to them from people that for some reason or another, they are maybe misinformed. They don't know what they're talking about. And I'm talking about something that you will see on YouTube videos. A lot of people that make these videos, they probably don't know exactly how things are done. So I want to go ahead and explain it to you. There's something called native ads for ClickBank. Of course, I'm going to be talking about ClickBank and ClickBank traffic sources. So this is the main thing. I'm going to talk about 4 things that you should know about so you can be able to debunk when you see something is not right. You can do it on your own. You wouldn't need me. So the first thing I want to let you know that I am affiliated with ClickBank. This is a disclosure. The reason I'm saying that is because when ClickBank collect information where the traffic is coming from, they usually go by the major websites. The first one is Facebook. They say Facebook is the best. It created a lot of sales. That could be true, but it is not. I'm going to show you exactly why I'm talking about that. Of course, Instagram, they're going to talk about Instagram, Google, of course, Google Ads, and so forth, and also going to talk about YouTube. Issues with native ads for ClickBank traffic. I just want to let you know what native ads are. Native ads is that when somebody is in their native environment, for example, on Facebook. Facebook is a social media platform. So the people who want to buy something from ClickBank or ClickBank products, they don't go to Facebook to do it. They are there and then they see something as far as maybe something that catches their eyes. Could be maybe an ad about ClickBank product and so forth. And the rest are the same. Instagram, Google, YouTube. It's the same thing. Now, I just want you to understand that because it is very critical. Native ads are not good for the average ClickBank user. Number one, it is expensive. In other words, if you go to Facebook and you try to place maybe an ad, you're probably going to end up paying a lot of money in order for you to find what you're looking for because you're going to go through trial and error. The other thing, it is complicated learning curve. So it's not easy for everybody to go and place paid ads for Facebook. A lot of times they change their platform, the way it looks, the way it operates, and things like that. So you have to be up to date on that. Now, the other thing is that it's not targeted. Like I mentioned before, a lot of people go to Instagram or Google not necessarily to buy a ClickBank product. The other thing is that you need to understand a platform you don't control. What I mean by that is that you don't control exactly what goes on. There are two reasons for that. One of them is that they change their algorithm. If things are working for you, they might not be working for you the next month. The other thing is that if you make a mistake, you get banned from the platform. In the old days, I did that myself. I got banned because I made a mistake. I clicked something I shouldn't have clicked. They would not even reinstate my account, and I'm talking about Facebook. The other thing is that native ad networks. Yeah, what is native ads and where you can get them? Google AdSense. The other one is Taboola, and then the other one is Outbrain. Now, this is not the whole list. There's a whole lot of them, and I'm not gonna go and put all of them in here. Now, for example, they place ClickBank ads on maybe Fox News, Forbes, blogs, and many others. So when you go to Taboola, for example, or AdSense, that's what they do. They just go out there and just put stuff everywhere. The top paid traffic sources for ClickBank. You have to have a traffic that you control. In other words, you're not on somebody else's platform hoping for somebody to click on your ad. This has happened usually in a network solo ads providers. In case you don't know what solo ads providers, what they do is that they build a huge list based on targeted people who are interested in something. For example, they're interested in fitness, losing weight, they're interested in making money online, and many other things. They do have a big database. In other words, they do have email addresses that they can actually rent it to you. It's a targeted traffic. If you are familiar with my teaching, there are three major markets that you have to cover in order for you to make money. One of them is health, wealth, and relationships. They have a relationship with their list. I open these for you so you'll understand what I'm talking about. As you know by now, I watch a lot of videos before I make mine so I can relate to things that are already on YouTube if you are watching YouTube videos about ClickBank traffic or paid traffic sources for ClickBank. A lot of people don't know about that. So when they are telling you something, they're not telling you the whole story, because if you know exactly what to do, you'll be ahead of 98% of the people who are using that platform. And this is what the solo ad provider does. You would order clicks and the clicks will be sent to you. Then everything is good, because here's what's going to happen. You're not depending on somebody else. You can build an email list and you can have customers who are interested in your product, and you can sell them multiple things at the same time. Now, it is also less expensive. There are some myths that I'm going to debunk, and I'm going to show you in just a little bit. I have watched a YouTube video, and one of the guys, maybe he doesn't know, he mentioned that the solo ad provider that I'm going to show you is only for make money online niche. This is not true. I'm going to prove it to you, and I'm going to show you what other 98% of the people are missing when they go to that platform. And I'm going to show you the tricks of the trade so you'll be aware and you'll be ahead of the crowd. Now, all you have to do is go to Google and then type in Udemy. After that, you can click on it and then free to enroll. After that, you'll end up inside Udemy. And this is where a lot of people make mistakes. And I have watched a lot of videos on YouTube. They tell you exactly, okay, put here this, and put on a niche, put, marketing niche, or put finance niche, or whatever. Or as far as rating, put this and put that. Don't do any of that. All you have to do is just click on this, and I just pick the 95, okay? You just pick the 95, a niche, any niche, put 0, don't put anything. You click on this one here, you put any country. I'm going to tell you why here in just a little bit. So what happens is that you get a whole lot of people. That's what we want. We want to get a whole lot of people first. Several videos on YouTube mention that this is only for online marketing and so forth. It's not. Like I mentioned before, there are health, wealth, and relationships, and these are the most important things. Click this right here. Let's go ahead and put fitness. We put fitness and then click submit. You can tell right here highlighted that these people are in fitness. There are some here in fitness, and then you can evaluate them based on what you want. In case you want people that do the most sales, you can do that right here. Now, when you click this, it shows you the people that have the most sales. In other words, this is per 100. They don't measure it for the life of this person, because this person maybe could have been on the platform maybe for 3 months, and some of them been there for 2 years. So it would not be fair to do that. What they do is they go with the last clicks that they have delivered. This person shown that she did 26 made a sale. Now, the other one right here that people like this, obviously this one or this provider has not been here for too long because she doesn't have a whole lot. Let's go ahead and just change it a little bit. Go back, click on keyword, and let's go ahead and put something different. Let's put dating. So we're gonna go ahead and put dating because dating is under relationships, and click submit. Well, here we go. We have people that are in dating. Again, if you want to get the first person, and usually this is what comes up. Usually the person that has the most sales, it shows right here. That means, what does that mean? You see, it's under relationships as well. What does that mean is that this person, the last 100 clicks, he got 25%. In other words, the people that bought from that person, these clicks are reported that 25% of that they made sale. Up here is how much that person would charge per click. Not any click, a click that you receive, people that they opt in to your landing page. This right here is that the thumbs up. He's got 669, and the red one here, people that they did not like. Now let's go back here and show you something different. Now we are talking about health, wealth, and relationships, and I just want to let you know that they have all that here. Let's talk about health, because health is very important as far as people, they like health. As you can tell, there's a lot of people here, health. So in other words, it's not just for people who want to make money online. There's a lot of stuff. There's MMO, business opportunities, CPAs. You can go back, and right here, you can go in here and then click and put in ClickBank. You can see that these people are anything that is sold on ClickBank, they are familiar with. So again, you don't have to do any of that stuff here. As far as filtering, you can just take a look here and then go back and forth, and you can see exactly what people are charging, and then you can make that decision. Obviously, you can click on this and you'll see a lot more stuff. Now, a lot of people say, oh, just only do 100. 100 is not going to get you hardly anything. You need at least 200 visitors to know if things are working or not. You need to start with a minimum of 200. You can click on here and then add text. Now you can add this text here, and then what happened is that they would send this email to their list. When you are making this, you can actually create a link by clicking on this, and you can put your hyperlink in here. Now you can do that, and then you click add to cart. Provider would know that you want to send this as an email, and what that person is going to go send it until you get 200 clicks. Now the other thing that you can do in case you don't have a landing page, what you can do is you can click on My Landers, and you can create your own. You can click on edit page and you can create your own landing page. This is an example only. And then if you go back, you can also have a thank you page as well. It will be hosted on udemy.com. It's not going to say Udemy, but it will be hosted free. Now, the other thing that if you don't have, and this is, I really encourage it very, very much, because a lot of people don't have the expertise of creating a website. You can click on Prime status. You can get the Prime status. They provide you with a website. And that website, it does have a membership. I don't recommend Prime status to everybody, but I do recommend it for people who are getting started and they need some help instead of them building and hosting their own website and landing pages and tracking their stats. All that is done in one place. So for affiliate marketers, this is the best thing that you can do for the least amount of money. Now, the other thing I want to talk about is extras. Now, in case you don't want to do that, but what you want is you want somebody who can just add text, for example, for you. What I'm talking about, something that is persuasive for people to click on your offer. You can click on extra, and then it tells you here that for $45, you can have our Write Your Perfect Email ad text with 1 or 2 powerful subjects line. So you can click on that and find out exactly what that person will do. Now, if we go back to extra, if you don't know how to create a really good landing page, because you really need to have that, what happens is that they will create one for you. Now, you probably might be surprised, oh, this is $100. But you know what? All you have to do is just do it one time. You have one good landing page, and then that will take care of it. So you'll have it and you can use it over and over again. Again, these people are specialized in the stuff that you actually want, which is they know that you want leads and they know how to build that page for the leads because they've been doing it for a long time, and they know how to add the text. Now, adding the text is something that you can do once. You want to make sure that it is unique. If you want to know everything about affiliate marketing, click here. If you want to know about the top affiliate marketers in the world, click here. And as usual, I'll see you at the top.